Hi, my name is Darren from Versoflor and I'm very excited to be here today to talk to you about our exciting new modular flooring system. So let's get into the detail and I'll show you how this all works. So we've got two tiles for two different applications. If you look at the first tile, this is what we call our Upflor tile. It's 300 by 300 by 14 millimeters thick, and you can see this has got a series of holes in the front face on this aesthetic surface. It's a very good quality component, made using the very latest technology and material technology. If we turn this tile over, you can see that there's a series of posts on the underside, and they transfer load from the top surface through to the substrate on the underside. Each tile can take an amazing 30,000 kilos in load, so it's a very durable product. These channels are used to transfer cable runs, so we can transfer power from one side of a space to another, and we also use these to click our unique LED lighting system in, and we get into that detail in another video for you. So we turn that back over. These locations with the holes in are used to fit our unique mosaics. You can see this component here actually just clips into place. I won't do that. We get into the detail of how to use these in another video. So that's our Upflor tile. It's got great applications for garage spaces, home spas, swimming pools, areas where you need drainage, so any water that goes on the top will drain through the channels on the other side to an outside space. It's very aesthetic, and we can use our LED lighting and our mosaics. The second product is our Taskflor. It's exactly the same size, so it's 300 by 300 millimeters by 14 millimeters thick. The aesthetic on the top is designed to mimic what this tile would look like with some mosaics in it. So it's a very aesthetic surface, again very good quality components, and both tiles fit to each other so that you can use a combination of both. So if you've got a garage space, for example, and you wanted to use LED lighting or some colour around the outside, but then wanted an area where you wanted to use the Taskflor to stop, say, spillages draining through, you want to mop from the top, you could use this in an area and then use the Upflor attached to it. And I'll just show you how that fitment works. Just before we get into that, our location, our fitment method, we use these square connectors around the outside. They're designed to expand and contract through a temperature range to allow for some movement in the tile. Also, they're designed to be able to be fixed down, so you can use a number 8 or a number 6 wood screw. I'll put the number 6 in there now, or number 8, they both fit in there. So if you've got an area with uneven floor on a slope, or you just wanted to fix, let's say, the front end of your garage down, rather than using adhesives, you can physically screw it down into place. I'll just take those out there now. And that fitment method is exactly the same on both tiles. Like I said, they all fit together. So if I click these together now, I'm going to show you that there is no tools required. It's a very easy fitting. Just slide that over there, give it a tap, and it's down. No hammers, no tools, nothing special required. Honestly, a child could do it. Obviously I can do it, so there you go. Now I'm just going to attach the Upflor to the Taskflor in exactly the same way. Just put that down into place. So now we've got an assembly of both tiles. I'm going to finish this off now by putting a perimeter around the outside with our edge pieces. So when you assembling a space, you've got connectors along two edges, and this is how you should build your space. So you can continue to build on in both directions. Now I'll show you how we finish off these sides. So in order for the connectors to fit on this side, we need to replace the connectors. So we've got the connector pieces here, and we'll put 3 on each one. Very simple. that will just fit directly on the inside exactly the same way. Put the corner piece in. So you can see we've got an assembled floor, which obviously can go into many meters in each direction. Two different products. Taskflor is ideal for spaces where you need a more durable surface, something that so you won't allow drainage from the top to the underside. Upflor is still a very durable product, but it's designed to drain and take our aesthetic mosaics, which come in a range of colours. I'd say we get into that into another video. Please check out our other videos on the website. Check out our keyring offer. You can claim your free keyring, have some fun putting the mosaics in and see how that works. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to the end, and please check out our offers on the website.